Russia's United Aircraft Corporation has expressed interest in partnering with India to locally manufacture its IL-76MD-90A transport aircraft, to replace the Indian Air Force's aging fleet of IL-76MDs. The CRPF has been issued Dronaam Anti-Drone Guns to counter rogue drones in Manipur. Indian Navy's P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft has touched down in Darwin, Australia, to take part in the 16th edition of Australia's multinational maritime exercise Kakadu 2024. US has arrested a Pakistani national in Canada for plotting the largest attack on US soil since 9/11. Boeing will deliver the first batch of 3 Apache gunships to the Indian Army by the end of this year. Maraal Aerospace has developed an indigenous solar-powered UAV called Maraal Solar UAV, with extended endurance and cyber-attack resilient features. Experts have said that despite significant modernization efforts, the Indian Army continues to face a strategic challenge in terms of long-range multiple rocket launcher systems compared to both its regional rivals. The first batch of the US Army personnel have arrived in Rajasthan for the 20th edition of the joint Indo-US Army exercise. Lucknow-based PTC Industries has won an order from Israel Aerospace Industries for the supply of titanium cast components for aerospace applications. In a recent DCS simulation that was carried out to explore how the Philippines' Brahmos anti-ship missile batteries might fare against China's Navy in a hypothetical conflict, Chinese aircraft carrier group fired 40 interceptor missiles to intercept 12 Brahmos missiles fired by Philippines, and despite the concentrated attack, all 12 Brahmos missiles were intercepted. It is to be noted that the complete profile of the Brahmos missile as well as the angle of attack with the final S maneuver was not used in the DCS simulation, which makes the result of the simulation inaccurate. It is also to be noted that the Russian Onyx is a close cousin of the Brahmos missile, and Russia was able to successfully deliver 199 missiles out of the 211 Onyx missiles to their targets in Ukraine, which possesses modern air defense systems, while on the other hand, Pakistani military had no idea about the Indian Brahmos missile accidental firing in 2022, when the Brahmos missile traveled and crashed 124 kilometers inside Pakistani territory in just 3 minutes and 44 seconds. The RDO's gas turbine research establishment will announce the foreign partner for 110 kN engine development by end of this year, and latest reports indicates that the development is projected to take nearly 8 years. The initial 3 to 4 years of this timeline will be dedicated to extensive ground-based testing to evaluate various parameters such as fuel efficiency, reliability, and thrust, that will be followed by flight trials on a designated flying test bed. GTRE plans to develop 3 ground demonstrator engines and 4 pre-production jet engines to carry out on-board flight testing. However, future variants of the engine would have 120 to 130 kN thrust capability. At a time when the Indian Ministry of Defence had cleared Mazagan Dock shipbuilders to build 6 submarines in partnership with Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, media reports indicate that the financial health of ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems is a troubling aspect of the Project 75I contract. ThyssenKrupp announced a downward revision in its financial forecasts last year, and the company is reportedly laying off employees including top managers. The Indian government has likely sought and received assurances from the German government that the Project 75I would be insulated from the financial issues of ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.